You can expect a lot from the 2020 Kia Stinger. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 3.3-liter six-cylinder engine. A turbocharger is also included as an economical means of increasing performance. Top features include a split folding rear seat, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, speed-sensitive wipers, a trip computer, heated seats, heated door mirrors, lane departure warning, and power seats. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Kia ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as front and side impact airbags, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, an emergency communication system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.